The Hudson River is 315 miles long. It flows from the Adirondack Mountains to the Atlantic Ocean. The river gives home to turtles, oysters, sturgeon, and even seahorses. Animals, big and small, rely on this river for water, food, and housing. The Hudson, because of its location, became a great place for people and businesses alike to set up their home. But it was mistreated. In the 1940s and 50s, General Electric employed thousands of people to work at its plants in the Hudson Valley. These plants seemed to bring prosperity, however, they were actually slowly poisoning the river. GE was dumping polychlorinated biphenyls into the water. PCBs are a mixture of up to 209 chlorinated compounds. They can either be an oily liquid or a colorless solid. By the time they stopped, over 1 million pounds had been discharged into the water. This created the largest Superfund site in the U.S., covering a stretch of 200 miles. The EPA forced GE to clean up the river, partially. But we are still left with a space that we cannot eat from, drink from, or even play in. Even the water vapor in the air can be dangerous. Why are we the ones who suffer because one company cannot be bothered to clean up their mess? Why does no one seem to care?